pala nakatago ng maayos. Oh my God. What's up mga people? Nandito na naman tayo para sa panibagong vlog. At ngayon, I'll be pranking my sister. So bale, ang naisip ko ay magtatago ako ng speaker doon sa taas. Tapos magpapatugtog ako ng mga nakakatakot na music. Kung hindi nyo kilala ang kapatid ko, talagang natatakot siya sa mga horror things. Hindi niya nga kayang panoodin ang aking video ng Slendrina. So ngayon, I'll be pranking her. So ilalagay ko na siguro ang speaker sa taas and I'll be back. So yan na nga mga people, nalagay ko na speaker sa taas. I-test na lang natin. Kukunin ko lang ang iPad ko. So mga people, nakakonect na ang iPad ko sa speaker. So test natin. Okay. So nagano siya, malakas. Okay. So isa-set up ko na ang camera. Siguro ito na lang sa may Jura box. Tatago ko na lang. And enjoy.
Why do you seem so scared? All I wanted to do was play with you. Please come and play with me. I'm so lonely. You're not afraid of the dark, are you? Don't be afraid. Come with me. I will show you where I play hide and seek. Do you want to play hide and seek? You hide, and I'll find you.
Di pala nakatago ng maayos. Ako ba narinig?
Nakahiga ako dito.
Walang tunog.
Tapos parang scary.
Dito mo lang. Aray ko.
Diyan ka. Doon ako. Pakinggan mo.
Bahala ako. Hindi ako dito.
Ayan. Tanggalin mo yung speaker.
Hindi ko nga alam kung saan pinatong yung testing.
Kita kay Daddy.
Ano yun?
Why do you seem so scared? All I wanted to do was play with you. Please come and play with me. I'm so lonely. You're not afraid of the dark, are you? Don't be afraid. Come with me. I will show you where I play hide and seek. Do you want to play hide and seek? You hide, and find you. You're going to die in there. Don't say I didn't warn you. I know things no one knows. You're going to die. Help me. I'm begging you. Can you help me? I'm alone and scared. I lost my mommy.
At na-prank na nga! So, napaiyak na siya.
Di ako makatulog sa'yo.
Ayos tayo. Hi! So if you guys enjoyed the video, please do like this video and subscribe to my channel to join #Pepple Squad for more videos and turn on the notification bell. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye!